Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Bluetooth cutting issue on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your mobile. So to restart your mobile, swipe down and open quick settings panel, and here click on this power icon. Now here click on restart and then again click on this restart icon to restart your mobile, and after restarting it will fix your problem. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then the second solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this filter icon. Now turn on this show system apps button and click on OK. And after turning this button on, scroll down and from here open the Bluetooth app. Now go to the storage of Bluetooth and from here clear the app data of Bluetooth. So tap on clear data to clear the app data, and after doing this your problem will be fixed. But if you're still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on software update and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating your mobile software, your problem will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.